Good morning, dear students. Now, till now we have done addition of decimal numbers. Now today we will do subtraction of decimal numbers. As we have done the sum of decimals, now the same rules and steps we will follow for the subtraction. Okay. Now see, here you have given 3.5 minus 2.84. Now firstly we will convert this into the like decimals. Okay. Now here you have given up to 2 decimal places. So 3.5 will become 3.50 minus 2.84. Okay. Now we will subtract. Now write all the digits, all the decimal points one below the other. 3.50. Now 2.84. Okay. Now subtract as we do in case of whole numbers. Okay. Now can we subtract 0 minus 4? No. Okay. So what you will do? We will do borrow from this 5. Okay. So this will become 4 and this will become 10. We have already done in my previous videos. Okay. So 10 minus 4 is 6. Now this is 4. Now can we subtract 4 minus 8? No. We will take borrow from this 3. This will become 2. Now this will become 14. 14 minus 8. 6. Now put decimal. Now 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay. So your answer will be 0.66. Okay. Now see question number 2. Here you have given 0.739 minus 0.36. Okay. Now firstly we will convert this into the like decimals. So here you have given up to 3 decimal places and here you have given up to 2 decimal places. To convert this into the like decimal, we will put 0. So 0.739 minus 0.360. Okay. Now we will subtract. After converting it, the given numbers into like decimals, it becomes more easy to addition and more easy to do subtraction. 0.739. 0.360. Okay. Now subtract. Put the sign minus. 9 minus 0 is 9. 3 minus 6 is? No, we can't subtract. Okay. Now we will take borrow from this 7. This will become 6 and this will become 13. So 13 minus 6 is 7 and 6 minus 3 is 3. Now put the decimal here and here you can write 0. So your answer will be 0.379. Okay. Now the next question is, you have to subtract rupees 100 minus rupees 65.25, means 65 rupees 25 paisa. Okay. Now firstly we will write rupees 100. Now there is no decimal point. Firstly we will convert it into the like decimal. Sorry, I forgot. Okay. Now here you have given 100. 100, there is no decimal point. So we can write as, now put the decimal and write 00. We can write 100 as 100.00 minus rupees 65.25. Now subtract. So here you have given 100 rupees 100.00 and 65.25. Okay. Now what you will get? We can't subtract 0 minus 5. Okay, we can take borrow from this 0, but we can't subtract again. We can't borrow from this 0. This will take borrow from this 0. This will take from this 0 and this will take from this 1. So this will become 9. This will also become 9. This will become 9. Now this will become 10. Sorry. Okay. Now this 10 can give borrow into this 0. Now this will become 10 and this will become 9. Okay. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. Put the decimal point here. Okay. Now 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay. Now your answer will be 34.75. Means 34 rupees 75 paisa. So your answer will be 34.75. Okay. Now the next question is, here you have given 63.142 and here you have given 45.028. See, this is also in 3 decimal places and this is also in 3 decimal places. So no need to change. Okay. Simply we will subtract 63.142, 45.028. Okay. Now we will subtract. Put sign here. Okay. Now we can't subtract 2 minus 8. So we will take borrow from this 4. This will become 3 and this will become 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. This 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Put down 1. Here is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. Put decimal point. Now here this is 3. 3 minus 5. We can't do this. So we will take borrow from this 6. This will become 5 and this will become 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. So your answer will be 18.114. Okay. Now the next question is, see, find the difference between. Now you have to find out the difference between 13.5 and 5.9. Okay. Now we will subtract these. Okay. First, see, this is also in the like decimal form. So we will directly subtract 13 minus 5, 5.9. Write the numbers one below the other. Okay. Now we will subtract. We can't subtract 5 minus 9. We will take borrow from this 3. This will become 2. Now this is 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. This is 2. 2 minus 5 is, we can't subtract it. So we will take borrow from this one. This will become 0 and this will become 12. 12 minus 5. We will put decimal. Don't forget to put the decimal point. Okay. 12 minus 5 is 7. Okay. Now your answer will be 7.6. Now its B part is 15 and 8.55. You have to find out the difference between 15 and 8.55. See. Here you have given 15 and here you have given 8.55. So 15 is not in the decimal form. So we can write 15 as 15.00. Okay. And this 8.55 as it is. Okay. Now subtract 15.00, 8.55. See, we can't subtract 0 minus 5. We will take borrow from this 0. We can't, this will not give, this can't be give. Okay, so it will take borrow from this 5. This will become 4. This will become 10 and this will become, now this can take borrow to this 0. So this will become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5 and this will become 9. So 9 minus 5 is 4. This will be, now we can't subtract 4 minus 8. So we will take borrow from this one. This will become 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Okay. So your answer will be 6.45. Okay. Thank you and have a great day.